Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Mukesh.
This is Sam.
So today we are reacting to Thamma official trailer.
Finally.
Yep, featuring Ayushmann, Rashmika, Paresh Rawal, and Nawazuddin. Yep. So we have reacted to the teaser before in the past, but then I think from that we can tell this movie is more
supernatural.
About supernatural,
kind of vampire.
People or creatures, whatever you call it. And then regarding vampires. And then the last scene I still remember when Nawazuddin Siddiqui was sitting and he said something that was funny.
Yeah, he said continue. After a long time I have seen the love scene.
Yeah. So he's a funny character, I'm telling you. He's a really good guy. He's really funny too.
Yep.
So without wasting time, we're gonna go ahead and react to the trailer, and then as usual we'll talk about it after. So.
Yep. Thamma.
बेताल हो, तुम्हें पृथ्वी और इंसानों की सुरक्षा के लिए बनाया गया है।
1 घंटे की सुरक्षा? आज से हम इंसानों का खून पिएंगे, नए नए बेताल पैदा करेंगे, हमारी सेना बनाएंगे और मैं बनूंगा तुम्हारा थामा।
Thamma, I think is
पर सिर्फ आप हो कौन? मैं भी तुम्हारी तरह एक किस्मत का मारा हूँ। बरसों से कैद एक बेचारा हूँ।
सर मेरी यहाँ फटी पड़ी है, आप शायरी पेल रहे हो।
तेरी 1 मिनट में फट गई, यहाँ बरसों से फट के गुफा हो गई।
I think he made it.
मुझे क्या हो गया है? आज अलग सा लग रहा है।
मेरी पल्स, मेरी हार्ट बीट फील नहीं हो रही है।
अब मैं क्या करूंगा? मेरी लाइफ, मेरे एम्बिशन सब खत्म। राजमा चावल कैसे खाऊंगा?
ए, नाटक मत करो, कुछ नहीं हुआ है तुम्हें।
क्रेजी हो गया है तो।
गड़बड़ है, ये हमारा लड़का नहीं है।
हेलो, तेरे दांत दिखा। गोयल, तेरे पंचिंग मशीन जैसे दांत दिखा। सही करता है इंस्पेक्टर साहब, मेरा बेटा शैतान है, शैतान।
तहकीकात करने आए हैं। पुलिस के लिए तो मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ। क्या किया आपने पुलिस के लिए? सिंघम 8 बार देखी है सर।
मुझे जाना ही होगा लोग, मेरी वजह से तुम्हें भी खतरा हो सकता है।
साथ में मरने का मेरा कोई इरादा नहीं है।
साथ में थोड़ा जी लेते हैं।
मैं तुम्हारे साथ रह नहीं सकती, हमारी दुनिया बहुत अलग है।
लप्पू सा आलोक है, जिंगुर सा लड़का है, इसमें है क्या?
चुप रहो, हीरो लगता है लड़का मेरा।
Oh, this is the scene that we found.
I think that's a wolf.
Don't worry, son.
He's
Hand of God is with you.
क्या इलाज हो सकता है बेताल को इंसान बनाने का?
अंडे का ऑमलेट बन सकता है, पर क्या ऑमलेट का अंडा बन सकता?
मुझे पता नहीं, मैं तो वेजिटेरियन हूँ।
Oh man,
It was funny.
It was funny, man. It was hilarious. I didn't expect that.
I thought this is gonna be a serious movie.
That's what I thought too, man. But I knew I was gonna kind of see a little bit of comedy because in the teaser, like when Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
It was just an end scene.
I was antsy, and then I thought, but expected maybe a little bit. I was just, but not this much, That was just a full-on comedy movie, So overall, I think now I know I'm saying this every movie that I like it, but I really like it. I mean, just being honest. There's a lot of scenes because we have watched supernatural dramas, right?
Movies,
vampire dramas, movies, some series too. Was it Vampire Diaries, right?
Vampire Diaries.
So we have watched some of those, but this one showing all these kind of effects, when he was kind of lifting the car, moving the car, right, and I got some powers too. But to me, I think personally, I really love that.
Obviously, they showed him as a vampire, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, I think he is the first vampire, and he turned him into the vampire.
Yeah, at first I thought, I'm not sure if that's the case. I thought that he actually got in him, but he actually made him a vampire.
Yeah, he made him
I think he bit him or something.
Yeah,
Maybe
because
that's-
he woke up in the morning and he saw his own teeth.
Yeah.
and he was just afraid of his son.
Yeah.
That's usually about the vampire.
Yeah, that's those are signs,
Yeah.
because they cannot live in the sun.
Yeah.
Now, another thing I was gonna mention was because I think when he was telling what's her name, the girl, Rashmika. So when he was telling Rashmika, I thought Rashmika's face, like she was also some sort of, I think she got some powers. Either she is also a vampire, because the way she was like so calmly kind of listening to him when he was telling like, oh, what I became, I can't even eat rice and beans, that's what,
yeah, that was funny, man. And he didn't even think about anything else. He was just thinking about like the rice and beans.
Yeah, I can't even eat those, so that was just so hilarious. But and then later on, but I think Rashmika either became a vampire or she has some other sort of different
or she can be a ghost too.
Yeah, something.
Because they showed that it's a universe of Istri, Bhedia and Ghost,
Yeah.
And she might be a ghost. Because she didn't even see his flank and like his teeth.
Yeah.
They didn't show his face.
Yeah, and then also I think when he was going to fall and she hold him, and she also got the powers too. That's so obvious. In watching the trailer. But however,
because in the teaser we watched it and she had a long nails, I think.
Yeah. So because I think in one of the scenes we saw that they both were going to fight and she was kind of standing like that. But yes, so I think this is a really good story too.
I didn't expect it, but I think it's really good.
Yeah,
I'm finding it really good.
Yeah, I mean, there's some type of the movie that I like, and I'm pretty sure he likes it too because. He suggests me sometimes some of these
supernatural
series,
kind of Vampire Diaries and based on the wolves.
Yeah, and it was Supernatural too, that we watched. But anyways, that was good. And then of course, British Travel was so hilarious too.
I was going to talk about it
because he was showing telling the police or the cop, about his son, the big teeth, he was kind of explaining like that.
And he was making fun of his own son. Then he's just a stupid guy. He's not something. Yeah. And his mom, she was saying,
my son is a hero.
He's a hero.
Yeah. And then there was one last dialogue too that Prisha said that kind of was so hilarious.
Yeah, because the police inspector, he was asking that. Have you seen omelette turns into the egg?
Oh yeah. He said, I don't know. Okay, I'm vegetarian. So yeah, it was good. I mean, I'm pretty sure. I think, of course, I like the story, and it's just something that I definitely wants to watch,
Yeah.
So
there is something different.
Yeah, something different. So yep, that's all we got. If you guys like our video, please drop a like. If you guys are new, please subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you guys think about this trailer, and then if you guys are excited, if you guys also laughed too while watching the trailer. It was funny. We would like to know in the comment. Let us know your thoughts in the comment. I think that's all we got. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.